Besides tying images and ownership to a NFT, what else can you tie towards it?
Um, in terms like NFTs, the primitive function of it is digital ownership. So that is essentially what it is, and what you can tie to it digitally is like essentially, yeah, the images, the metadata, stuff like that. But what you can actually extrapolate from that is you now have digital proof that you are in this certain club, or you have digital proof that you are in this community. You have proof that you own an asset online, and from that you can start adding more. Everybody throws the word utility around, but you can actually start adding utility where, for example, NFT NYC this week, you needed certain NFTs to attend certain events. So, for example, the hundreds party, they had Steve Aoki and Rich the Kid perform. Um, and to enter this party, you needed a hundreds NFT, and to actually get the access token, you had to connect your MetaMask and verify that you owned an NFT, and then you would get a one-time scannable QR code that would grant you entry into the event. And that's really powerful because everybody's always talking about right click save, right click save. Oh, why don't I just screenshot the NFT and I'll have it? I'm like, okay, you can try, screenshot it. Let's see if it gets you into the venue. Like, verify that you own this screenshot. Um,
And
and you
in
can, because
order,
it's not the,
and in order to
sorry.
verify that you own the NFT, did you have to sort of like sign that contract on Ethereum and pay the gas fees to get it verified and then get the QR code? Do you have to pay gas fees or something like that? They just check somehow you own the NFT.
No, so verifying ownership is actually gasless because all everybody's contents, everybody's wallet is open source essentially. Like, you can see whatever anybody has. The thing you have to do is you have to prove that you own this wallet. So I can already see like wallet 0x111 whatever has the bomb. I just have to prove to them that I am the owner of 0x111. And how I can do that is by signing a message essentially. So what that entails is, whenever you connect your MetaMask and it says, "Do you want to give this site privileges?" or you have to sign this message to connect with OpenSea. Essentially, what you're doing is you're taking your wallet's private key, which only you would know, and signing a message. Let's say like they want you to say "Hello World." You would hash that "Hello World" by signing it or encrypting it with your private key. And then on OpenSea's end, they would decrypt it with your public key, which is accessible to everybody. And if they're able to decrypt your message successfully, you just verify that you own this wallet because you are the only person that could have signed this message. And that is how it works with the hundreds, where you just sign a message with your wallet, showing the hundreds, this is your wallet. And now they know this is your wallet and you own this NFT. And that's gasless because there's no transaction that has to be posted onto Ethereum. All it is just an off-chain signature that is showing that you managed to sign this message with a private key.
And if it's off-chain, is it possible for someone to create a duplicate of the bomb that has the exact same sort of code or the exact same fundamentals, just like how you can copy and paste a file on a computer? Or why is that not possible?
Yeah, so you would have to take a step back. So, for instance, you have a wallet that owns NFT A, and then anybody can see that you own NFT A because it's public. Um, and verifying it means you are just verifying that you are owner of this wallet that owns NFT A. That's all verification is. So if someone were to make a fake version of NFT A, it wouldn't be possible because each NFT has unique identifiers. Essentially, each NFT is unique through its actual like Ethereum like ID. Essentially, you can think of it as an ID. So I could create a new CryptoPunk that has the exact same image. I could even call it CryptoPunks in my contract, and I could copy it basically to the bit. But it's very easy to check if my CryptoPunk is real or not, because on the website's end that's verifying it, it specifically checks, is this CryptoPunk from contract one that was created by Andy? Um, and if it's not, then it's a fake CryptoPunk. So every NFT um, has unique identifiers that show that this is the NFT essentially. And if you were to copy it by copying the image and copying the metadata, and then putting it back on Ethereum's blockchain and sending it to your wallet, the identifier for that NFT would not match the actual identifier for the CryptoPunks collection or the hundreds NFT collection, and that would fail the verification.